Hey tree lovers, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. We are at Southeastern University in Lakeland, Florida. We are cleaning up some Dactylifera medjool date palms, and they look like this before they start, and you can see where all of that fern growth is growing up at the top of the tree. We're taking all of that out of each of these trees. So let me show you what it looks like when we're done. Now, my salesman, James here, was standing beside the other one. The other one was about a 30-foot trunk height tree. And this one that we just cleaned up is about the same height. And take a look at that. That's what they look like when you clean them up. We are using a high lift to lift our man up into the top of these trees, and he is cleaning all that mess up and completely changing the look of it at the same time. So once again, I'm Joel Mizell with the Tree Planters at thetreeplanters.com. Like us on Facebook, follow us on Facebook, share our videos, but more than anything, give us a call and buy trees. You will be extremely happy that you did.